Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick video tutorial today on how to create an Instagram reel with text. So grab your phones and follow along with me. You're going to want to open up your Instagram app. And once you have that open, you are going to go to the little plus sign and go down to Reel. Okay. So there's a few different ways that you can do this. You can either record directly on your phone or you can pull up a video that you've pre-recorded. So if you want to do the pre-recorded video, you can click on the bottom left square of your screen on Instagram and it's going to pull up any recent videos that you have. If you don't want to do that and you just want to record right now, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. The little video in the center of your screen with the little Instagram play is what you're going to hold down to record, or you can set a timer. So on the left side of your screen, you're going to see a little timer button. So if you click on that, you can do a countdown of 3 seconds or 10 seconds, and you can do a 30-second video, 15-second video, 10-second video, whatever you want to do. It depends on what you're recording. So I'm going to cancel that because I'm just going to record it myself and show you guys how to do this. So I'll cancel that. And then I'm just going to do a quick little 10-second video. The first thing you want to do is you can either record it without a filter, or at the bottom you can slide over and select different filters. Oh, I like that one. Let's see. I think I'm going to go with this one. Okay, and you're going to want to just do it at like a good angle, obviously, and make sure that there's good lighting wherever you're recording your video. Okay, once you've recorded that, it's going to drop it into your Instagram. So if you go back to there's a little back arrow. So if you click on that, it's going to show you the video that you just recorded. All right, so we are going to go back and then hit preview. So that's going to show you the video that you just recorded. And now what you can do is go ahead and add music if you want to. So up at the top, you're going to see a little music note. So you can click on that, and what it's going to pull up is any audio that's on your recording that you just did. So I'm going to just go ahead and slide this down to get rid of all of that background noise that was just on my video. And I can either choose the music button at the bottom, and it's going to pull up a bunch of songs. And let's see. I'll just select this one just because it's right there and easy. But you can also search for different clips if you want as well. For this video, I'm going to just turn off the voice or the music. And then if you want to add text, so you see in my video that I recorded that I'm pointing. So what I did with that is I want to point to certain wording that I want on my video. So you're going to go up to this the little A in the upper right hand corner, or you can just tap on your screen. So I'm going to just tap on my screen, and let's just call this 3 tips for a great realtor. Or 3 tips for finding, there we go, finding a great realtor. As you'll see on my video, you can slide this up and down to make the text smaller or larger. And then you just literally drag it around on the screen to where you want it. So I can drag it down here or up at the top. And that one I want to be on the entire video. So I put it at the top just so it stays there throughout the entire video. So the next thing I'm going to do, you can see that I'm pointing to different areas. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the screen and add a text. So one of the tips for finding a great realtor is communication. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. And then you can actually change the color of the text up here by clicking the little colorful circle. Let's do, I'm just going to do the black and white one for you guys just because it's easy. I am going to put it in a different color than the heading that I put on there. And I'm going to do all of them, and then I'll go back and show you how I did it. So communication, let's do expertise. And we'll go ahead and change that color. And what I'm doing is I'm lining it up with where my fingers are at. So I'm just dragging it across the screen to where my fingers are at. And then the last one, we are going to do marketing because we all love marketing. Let's see. And marketing. Okay, so this is a little bit of a tricky part. Once you get the hang of it, it's going to be really easy. So every time I put a text box on the screen, it's popping up here on the bottom. There's going to be 4 little text boxes, and that's how you're going to change it to put it on a certain part of your video. So the first one, since we want it to stay on the entire video, I'm just going to leave that one alone, but then I'm going to go to communication and click on that one, and at the bottom it's going to show you a little sliding bar. So that is your video timeline. So what you want to do is just slide the text over to where you're pointing at, line it up with that, and then you're going to slide the other one over so it's only visible on the screen for a certain period of time. Okay, and then you're going to click over on the next text box right here. So you're going to click that. It's going to take you to the next one, which was expertise. And then we're going to do the same thing, slide it over, and then we'll click on that last box right there and do the same thing. And slide that over towards the end of the video. Okay, and then once you're done adjusting where all the text is going to go, you'll just hit done. And now it's going to show you a preview of your video. I'm going to leave the video or the music off of here for now. And when you're ready to post it, you'll just go down to the bottom and hit next. You can write your little caption, do your hashtags, whatever you want to do. And you can crop your profile image. So whatever you want to show up first, you can actually like move this box around here in the middle so that it has what you want showing up to begin with. You'll hit done. Let's see. You can tag people and you can add a location. So all of those features are the same as like posting a regular post. And when you're done with it, you just hit share. So I'm going to go back and I'm trying to think if there's anything else I should show you guys. But if you have questions, drop them below and I'll get back to you. I hope this was helpful. I will be doing some more videos like this. So if you guys have any requests, please let me know. I'm still learning as well. So I just like putting it out here on a video so it's easy for you guys to kind of pause the video and follow along. So please let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks so much. Bye guys.